So here RHS is of A cross C union B cross C. Now case number 2, is of RHS. So in our RHS we have to find out A cross C union B cross C. But here, in order to find out A cross C union B cross C, first of all let us find out A cross C. So here A cross C is equals to set consisting the elements of A. So here 1, 2, 3 are the elements of A as per the given problem. Then now cross. Then now set C elements are of 6, 7, 8. Then now the next logical step will be of. So that implies, so since we are finding the Cartesian product of A and as well as C, that is A elements are of 1, 2, 3 and B, C elements are of 6, 7, 8, then the ordered pairs are of 1, 6, 1, 7 and 1, 8 are the first 3 ordered pairs. Then now 2, 6, 2, 7 and 2, 8 next 3, and 3, 6, 3, 7 and 3, 8 will be the last 3 ordered pairs, or in other words the elements of the Cartesian product, that is A cross C. So here with 1, 6 the first ordered pair, 1, 7, 1, 8 with 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8 with 3, 6, 3, 7 and 3, 8. So here these are the elements of A cross C. So in this manner I got, so here therefore A cross C is equals to, so these are the elements, but here we have to find out even B cross C. Then now in the next logical step we are going to find out B cross C. So here set B elements are of 4, 5 as per the question, cross C elements are of 6, 7, 8 as per the given problem. But here we are going to find out the Cartesian product of B and as well as C sets, that is 4, 5 and as well as 6, 7, 8. Then now the next logical step will be of, so that implies with 4, 6 will be the first ordered pair, 4, 7, 4, 8 the next ordered pairs. Then now with 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8 will be the last 3 ordered pairs of the Cartesian product, that is B cross C. Then now with 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8 with 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8. So these are the elements, because here the ordered pairs are of 2, 3, 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ordered pairs, because here there are of 2 elements in the first set and 3 elements in the second set. 2, 3 is of 6. There are of 6 elements in the set consisting B cross C, that is the Cartesian product of B and as well as C. So in this manner I got, so here therefore B cross C is equals to set consisting these ordered pairs, 6 ordered pairs. Then now, but here we have to find out on the whole A cross C union B cross C, that equals to set consisting A cross C elements. So A cross C elements are of these, that is 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. Then now we have to find out the union of B cross C, but here B cross C elements are of 4, 6 as the first order pair, 4, 7, 4, 8. Then now 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8 are the last 3 ordered pairs. Then now, since we are finding the union of these two sets, then now the union gives us in this manner, that implies, so we have to find out the union of A cross C and as well as B cross C. So here the set consisting the elements of A cross C or B cross C or both A cross C and as well as B cross C. So now, so first of all let us write all the elements of first set, that is 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7, 1 comma 8, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 6. So here we have to see whether these elements are occurring here or not. So here 4 comma 6 is not occurring, so we can include it. 4 comma 6, 4 7 and 4 8 are also not occurring, so we can include 4 comma 7 and 4 comma 8. Similarly 5 6, 5 7, 5 8 are also not occurring, we can include even 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7 and 5 comma 8. Then now, so here this gives us the solution set of, so here of A cross C union B cross C. So here therefore A cross C union B cross C is equals to set consisting these number of elements, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 elements are there in this set of A cross C union B cross C. Let us write this as the equation number 2 which we got from the case number 2. But here let us observe equation number 2 and as well as 1. So here equation number 1, elements are of 1 6 1 7 1 8, 2 6 2 7 2 8, 3 6 3 7 3 8, 4 6 4 7 4 8, 5 6 5 7 5 8. So it is of 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here, whereas in the second set, that is equation number 2, 1 6 1 7 1 8, 2 6 2 7 2 8, 3 6 3 7 3 8, 4 6 4 7 4 8 and 5 6 5 7 5 8. So here it is clear that the right hand sides of the both the equations, equation number 1 and as well as 2 are same, therefore the left hand sides must be equated. So here in the next logical step, from equations 1 and as well as 2, the first equation is of A union B cross C, elements are of 1 6 1 7 1 8, 2 6 2 7 2 8, 3 6 3 7 3 8, 4 6 4 7 4 8 and 5 6 5 7 5 8. And now, so here the elements of this set, that is A union B cross C, are of 1 6 1 7 1 8, 2 6 2 7 2 8, 3 6 3 7 3 8, 4 6 4 7 4 8 and similarly 5 6 5 7 5 8. These are the elements of the equation number 1, that is on the right hand side. Then now, whereas the right hand side and the second equation is of A cross C union B cross C is equals to set consisting the elements. So here A cross C union B cross C elements are of 1 6 1 7 1 8 and similarly so on up to 5 6 5 7 5 8. Then now, so 1 6 17, 18, 26, 27, 28, 36, 37, 38. Similarly, 46, 47, 48 and 56, 57, 58. So here these are the elements of equation number 2. So here from this it is clear that the right hand sides of equation number 1 and as well as 2 are of equal or same, therefore the left hand sides must be equated. So here since RHS of equations 1 and as well as 2 are equal, hence so left hand sides of both the equations, that is equation number 1 and as well as 2, must be equated. So here when the right hand sides are equal, say these two must be equated. So here from this it is clear that, so here we got, so here therefore A union B cross C is equals to A cross C union B cross C. Then now from this it is clear that the Cartesian product distributes over union from right to left. So here hence Cartesian product distributes over union from right to left, that is from right hand side to left hand side.